finally doing a keyboard build with the GMMK Pro.
After many months of research and careful consideration, I've come to realize in order to be a true enthusiast, you have to do a build with this thing. You have to. And when you consider the price to performance value, the all aluminum design, and the fact that it's the only aluminum case that's consistently in frickin' stock, all that is what honestly drew me to the board. For the rest of the board, I kept it simple and went with All Glorious product. Went with their Link switches, never heard of these, so I took a bit of a risk buying them. And their PBD die sub-limited keycaps in olive to give my office a pop of color.
I'm gonna be lubing live, so make sure you follow to see the progress of this build.